Doing a screen recording on an iPhone is not a difficult thing. Where you should look is in the control center. The icon or the quick setting for toggling on screen recording should be somewhere here. Sometimes you don't find it there, but you can add it yourself. Do you see this plus sign in the top left corner? Tap on it, right? And this allows you to edit all the available quick setting icons and toggles. If you come down here, you'll see add a control. If you tap on that, a number of other options are immediately presented to you. One of them right here is the screen recording icon. It's like a large dot inside a circle. So if you tap on that, it has been added here, and then you can just tap anywhere on the screen to move away from there. Now, where do you find the icon? There it is. Anytime you pull down the control center drawer, there is your screen recording icon. And if you tap on it, it starts a countdown. And while the screen recording is on, you will see this indicator to tell you that it's actually happening. If you tap on that indicator, it says screen recording. Do you want to stop screen recording? So we're recording right now, and all of this has been recorded. And when we're ready to stop, you tap on that and then you say stop. It says screen recording, video saved to photos. To find the recording that you have done, all you have to do is go to your Photos app, and right there, this is the recording. So that's it. That's how to do screen recording on the iPhone. Pretty simple. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, do follow my channel, turn on your notifications. I'll see you in my next video.